Hello dear students, I hope you are fine at your home. Okay, today I shall discuss some probability related problems, right? Come to first question. You see, two cards are drawn from a standard pack of 52 cards. You see, two cards are drawn from a standard pack of 52 cards. Find probability of getting two kings. Right? You see, that means here total 52 cards you know. You will have to draw two cards. Right? Find probability of getting two kings. That means event is like this. Event is the event is like this. Getting two kings. Right? This is the event. Event you know. Any subset of sample space is called event. Right? Come to solution. You see, there are 52 cards, right? All are total 52 cards. That means you will have to draw two cards. You see, like this, or like this, or like this. Okay, or like this. Sorry, like this. Right. So, okay, let us name the all cards. Okay, like this: C1, C2, C3, C4, like this. C52. Okay. First, these are all cards. Then we will come to next step, that king. First, okay. First, all cards are plain cards. Okay. So that is why I have named like this: C1, C2, C3, C4, like this. C52. Right? Sample space will be like this: C1, C2, C1, C3, C1, C4. Like this: C1, C52. Okay. Then starting from C2, C2, C3, C2, C4, like this. Okay. At last you will get C51, C52. Okay. Then the number of cardinality of sample space S is equal to what? C52 2. You know, combination from the concept of combination, taking two elements, okay, to form groups, you will get C52 2. Right? Combination. Okay. That is called the 52 factorial by 2 factorial into 52 minus 2 factorial. Okay. That is equal to 51 into 26. Right. Then comes to event. Event will be like this: event K1, K2, right? K1, K3, K1, K4, K2, K3, K2, K4, K3, K4. So I have shown it analytically so that you can understand clearly, right? K1, K2, K1, K3, K1, K4. Okay. After completion of K1, you see K2, K2, K3, K2, K4. After completion of K1 and K2, rest is like this: K3, K3, K4. Right? So total number of outcomes, total number of elements of A, how much? Here 3, okay, K1, K2, K1, K3, K1, K4, 3 elements, plus here 2 elements, here 1, that is equal to 6. This is, I have shown it analytically. Okay. So using concept of combination, you know, so some cardinality of A is equal to C for 2. That means taking 2 out of 4 cards. Okay, taking 2 out of 4 cards, that is equal to 6. So probability of A is equal to cardinality of A by cardinality of S, that is equal to 6 by cardinality of S is equal to this. Okay, you will simplify it. Okay, just understand it. Here the concept of counting principle cannot be applied. Okay, come to another example, another question. 5 cards are drawn from a standard pack of 52 cards. Find probability of getting 3 kings and 2 aces. Okay, 5 cards are drawn from a standard pack of 52 cards. Find probability of getting 3 kings and 2 aces. Okay, you see there are 5 kings, right? Total there are 5 kings. Okay, let us name like this. This is K1, K2, K3, K4, right? And you see there are 4 S's. Okay, there are 4 S's. This is A1, A2, A3, this is A4, right? So you will have to choose what? 3 kings and 2 aces. 3 kings, you see, 3 kings, 3 kings, 2 aces. Here it is also a group, right? Also, it is possible. This is taking 3 here. Okay, this is also a group. Okay. Similarly, you can repeat. Here you see K1, K2, K3, K4, A1, A2, A3, A4. Like this combination will be like this. K1, K2, K3, K1, K2, K4, like this. Here for SS, A1, A2, A1, A3, A2, A3, like this. Okay. So first you will have to find sample space. Sample space taking all cards. Okay. Here all cards I have taken C1, I have named C1, C2, like this, C52, because all are cards. Okay, at first these are cards, then you will have to you are naming king, ace, queen, jack. Okay, at first these are cards. Okay, playing cards. So sample space will be like this: C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, this is C1, C3, C4, C5, C6, like this. Okay, dot, right? So cardinality of S is equal to C52, 5. You know the concept of combination. Okay, then comes to event A. A will be what? You see K1, K2, K3, A1, A2, K1, K2, K3, A4, A3, like this. Okay, you see here concept of combination. Here 3, you see, you will have to choose 3. So that is why you will get total C4, 3. 3 cards out of 4. Okay, 3 cards out of 4. Okay, 3 cards. You see, 3 cards, any 3 cards out of 4. That means C4, 3. Here you see 2 cards. Okay, any 2 cards. Okay, 2 cards from 4 cards. Out of 4, you will have to choose. You will have to take 2 cards. That means C for 2, you know. So by the principle of counting principle, okay, we are making choices, taking one element from this side and taking one element from this side. So here we were making ways, we are making choices. Okay. So how much? What will be result? You see K1, K2, K3, A1, A2, K1, K2, K3, A1, A3. You see, okay. All are many possible choices will be happened. Okay, so that is equal to cardinality of A is equal to C43 into C42 by the principle of counting principle, right? So that is probability of A is equal to C43 into C42 by C52 5. Okay, you okay, this is the probability of event. You compare this. Here counting principle is not possible. Here counting principle is possible. Because here you see, after taking one element, for taking second element, it depends on first. Right? Okay. So that is why here you cannot apply the principle of counting principle. Okay. Here it is possible for using counting principle. Okay. Now come to another two problem. Okay. Now come to other two problems. I have set. You see, there are 8 white balls and 5 red balls in a bag. Okay, 8 white balls and 5 red balls. Okay, so 4 balls are drawn at a time. 4 balls are drawn at a time. What is the probability of getting 2 balls are white and you see 2 balls are red? What is the probability of getting 2 balls are white and 2 balls are red? First question. And second question is, what is the probability of getting 4 balls are white? Right? Come to solution. Solution A. You see, there are total 13 balls. There are 13 balls in a bag. Name the balls as like this. At B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8, B9, B10, B11, B12, B13. Right? So sample space will be what? Taking 4 balls. Okay, 4 balls are drawn at a time. So sample space will be like this: B1, B2, B3, B4, B1, B2, B3, B5, like this. Okay, that means you have to take only 4 balls. Okay, randomly. Okay, so here you see the cardinality of S will be how much? It is equal to C13 4. That means you will have to make group taking 4 balls out of 13. That is why I have used concept of combination C13 4. Right? Then come to question. You see, white ball. There are 8 white balls. Okay. Now name the white balls like this: W1, W2, W3, W4, W5, W6, W7, W8. Okay. Now you see 5 red balls. Name the red balls. 5 red balls like this: red R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. Okay. You will have to you will have to take what? 2 balls are white and 2 balls are red. You see. groups will be like this: W1, W2, R1, R2, W1, W2, R1, R3, like this. Okay. In the concept of combination, you see here 8 white balls, here 5 red balls. Okay. So kernel T of A will be C82. Out of 8 balls, 8 white balls, you will have to choose 2 balls. In how many ways? That is equal to C82. Okay, C82. You see here, out of 5 red balls, you will have to choose 2 balls. Okay, in how many ways? That is equal to combination of, you see, C52. So how many choices will be possible? By taking here and taking here also. That is equal to, by the principle of counting principle, C82 into C52, right? Kernel T of A. So that is equal to, probability of A is equal to C82 by into C52 by C13, 4, right? Okay. You see next question, B. What is the probability of getting 4 balls are white? You see 4 balls are white. Okay. You see sample space will be like this. Okay, as in before question. Okay. So now I am illustrating only event A. You see W1, W2, W3, W4, W1, W2, W3, W5, like this. Okay, that means you will have to take 4 white balls out of 8 white balls. Okay, and you will have to nothing from red balls. Okay, you will have to take nothing. You see, so that is why. So kernel T of A is equal to C84. C84. Okay. So probability of A is equal to C84 by C13, 4. C13, 4. Okay. Perhaps you have understood it clearly, and if you feel any doubt, you may convey me in the comment box. And another thing, you will have to remember that in case of equiprobable space, uniform space, you can apply the probability of A. Okay, probability of an event A is equal to kernel T of A by kernel T of sample space. Okay, in case of uniform space, not for when the experiment, when the sample space is not uniform, you cannot apply this, right? Okay, bye.